do a little fun run on the KS16x. Rider weight today is 220. PSI is 28.5. We're trying out. This is Post BT Fix. I bring my 360 camera. And hopefully the speed logs this time. Oh, I should probably turn on the GPS app just to make sure. Apologies, I'll speed this up. The good news is this gives time to sync the GPS, so you know, that is a wonderful thing. Gotta leave the music off while I'm playing this. See this little deal in the mirror? That's one of the reasons I don't recommend a helmet mirror. Sooner or later it happens to all of them. Anyway, I can leave the music off because of YouTube nonsense, but we'll see how we go. Alright, feet are placed evenly-ish. Not exactly evenly. I'll fix them when I get off the hill. Actually pretty damn close though. Still. So, away we go. Alright, so net, I do not like 28.5 PSI. I thought there were enough people posting on the forums that I'd give it a go again, but I feel like the tire squirms too much for me. I like the softer ride portion of it, but still, no. Maybe I should switch cameras to this one. See if I still have this one on. Yeah, I think I do. Hopefully that's better. What else? You heard the throttle warnings. Clearly I'm getting up to the speed much more comfortably after the Bluetooth fix, but it still feels a little bit to me like there's some squirm going on the pedals. So I don't think they've gotten it all. I'd like to tell you that they did, but I don't think they did. Hard to tell for sure if that was because the tire pressure was too low. Not sure which camera to look at, or not. And by the way, here's a shot of the pole that I'm using, just in case you're wondering. So yes, it does throw my balance off a little bit. Yes, I did get some wobbles on hard braking. I think it's visible a couple of times. Yeah, my feet were even. So, hopefully a speed logged on that as well. Still a good ride. Much more fun with music, much more fun without a pole in your hand, and certainly not in the midday heat with the cars. I almost went up the hill. I've never completely gone all the way up and down on any wheel, simply because the other side of that is a nightmare once you get past that pretty damn steep grade. And so if I didn't have the pole in my hand or I had somebody chasing me just in case I burned the fuse, I might have gone it. And I may yet do that. That's what I call my advanced section. And one day I'll get there, I'm sure. Still, a lot of fun at low speeds, and clearly I'm comfortable enough to trigger the warning, which I think is at 24 miles an hour. I'm going to go ahead and test that on my phone here. And hopefully this isn't too boring for everybody. One side effect I'll mention of the Bluetooth is that you do have to delete it and then re-add it from your phone. Not a big deal at all, but just be aware that if you had it set up to automatically connect and it doesn't automatically connect, delete the old one, add the new one. They show us two different ones. So they are saying that ride top speed was 25.4 miles per hour. Average speed was 16. And keep in mind we've been sitting here and it's still averaging down. It's at 16.9, 16. Yeah, it's counting down as we're doing this. Speed alarms are at, let's take a look. Don't know if this will be visible or not with the camera. Yeah, thank you. You see where, so 00, 23, 26. So that's where we were sitting. I'm thinking I'm going to have to increase that now a little bit to maybe 25. There we go. Done 0. So anyway, good news is I'm now taking it up to mid-20s regularly. Just trying to dial in the tire pressure for me. 28.5 is not right. It needs to be higher than that. I think I like it around 35, but I'm going to keep riding it at 2-pound increments along the same route to try to figure it out.